Today we got this Freightliner 108 SD. We got an air leak somewhere, so it's not able to hold air pressure. I'm trying to figure out how to block the air leak because I don't want to get under there and cage all the brakes. You know, it's a lot of work and it's kind of tight down here. So I had it running before and I heard air leaking somewhere down here. Someone from here, I think. But I'm gonna go right now and release the brakes and let's see if that's where the problem is coming from. So yeah, this right here, something is going on inside there. Something is broken. I can feel the air shooting out right through the hole. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna figure out which hose is sending air right here, and I'm gonna block that hose. But before I do that, I'm gonna cage, because I see that the brakes have released a little bit. They're already like halfway there. So I'm gonna cage first to make it easier, and then after I cage, I'm gonna go ahead and block the hose. I just found out that I have to use the big caging bolts for this. Yeah, these little ones don't work here. So let me go get the big ones. So we're gonna be using this one today. It's kind of tight in here. I gotta do it by hand too. There we go. What size is this socket? We got 1 inch 11/16. Oh wait, hold up. 1 inch 1/16. That's what we're going to be using. Let's do it. Look at this. This is not going to work. It's too short. So it's not going to do anything. Look at that. Great. Some of you might already know which hose you gotta block. I don't know. So I gotta play with these two hoses over here. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna start with this one. Come on, it's not that one. Nah, I think this is a little bit too... Yeah, I gotta close this a little bit. I think one day somebody told me that the hose closer to the front of the can is the one that released the brakes, and the one in the back is the one for service. Let's find out. So I'm using this vice grips. This is like special vice grips. They're not gonna cut the hose. See that right there? Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one right here. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't hear any air coming out. Yeah, very good. Let's make this a little tighter. Alright, so I'm gonna go and turn on the truck, let the air tanks fill up, and we should be good to go. Air pressure is going up, that's good. Alright, air pressure is up to level. So before, when I released the brakes, I noticed the air pressure dropping all the way to 0 because it had that air leak right there. So let's release the brakes and we're gonna wait a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes now. Air pressure is good. It didn't drop at all. I think we're good to roll. But I'm gonna go under there just to double check, make sure nothing is leaking out. Let's go. We're good. You know what? I don't know if this is going to be bouncing up and down when I'm driving. Let's duct tape it. I feel better now. That's good. Nice and tight. Let's get out of here.